By default, your Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra, S26 Plus, or S26 uses the same ringtone for all contacts. But you can set a unique ringtone for a specific contact, so you know who's calling without even looking at your phone. Here's how to set a custom ringtone for a contact on the Galaxy S26 series. Bust in Silhouette Set Ringtone for a specific contact. First, open the Contacts app on your Samsung phone. Find and tap the contact you want to customize. Tap the Info icon or open the Contact Details screen. Then tap More or the three-dot menu, depending on your layout, at the bottom right. Tap Change Ringtone/Vibration. Tap Ringtone. You'll now see Samsung's default ringtone list. Select any ringtone to assign it to that contact. Musical note: use a custom ringtone for a contact. If you want to use a downloaded song or custom audio file, tap the ++ icon at the top right. Choose the audio source like tracks, albums, artists, or folders. To use a downloaded file, tap Folder's right-pointing arrow Downloads. Select the audio file you want. Then tap Done at the top right. That ringtone will now be set only for that specific contact. Now, whenever that person calls, your Samsung Galaxy S26 will play their unique ringtone. This works on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra, S26 Plus, and S26 running One UI 8.5 or later.